Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren, and today I wanted to share with you some PR that I've gotten recently. I've actually just recently started getting PR, so I wanted to kind of show you what all I've gotten as a micro influencer. Most of my stuff has come from collabs that I am working on TikTok. Some have been on Instagram, and I have like 14K on TikTok and 2K on Instagram. So I'm definitely a micro influencer on TikTok, and then I think nano on everything else. So yeah, I've recently started to get PR, but if you want to know like how I'm getting all this stuff, how I've learned how to get PR and stuff, let me know, and I can definitely make a dedicated video on like how to do all of this, because I know a lot of people don't really know how. I did it at first, and then, I've learned a lot over the past month. I've started recently taking social media super seriously, and this is really what I want to do full time in my life. Maybe I'll get there, but yeah, right now it's just kind of a hobby thing, but I am starting to get some PR. So, I wanted to share. First thing I have is from Topicals, and we have the Topicals Ingrown Tonic High Roller. This is for like ingrown hairs and razor burn, and honestly, I love this stuff. It works. I use this where I usually get razor burn, and yeah, it definitely works. I love this. I'm definitely gonna be using that on the regular now. And then we also have this Topicals Brightening and Clearing Serum. I've heard good things about this. Honestly, I haven't used it enough yet to know. I definitely need to be using this more, what's the word I'm looking for? I cannot think of the word I'm looking for. Use it more often. You know what I'm trying to say. I definitely need to use this more often so that I can start seeing a difference. But yeah, okay, I want to show you these. This is from Pro Lash, and any of this stuff I'll try to link down below, and I'll link any discount codes I have down below too if you're interested. But Pro Lash I actually really love. They sent me 2 boxes of lashes. There's only like one little thing in this because I've already used it, and I only used, it comes with like 4 little thingies, and I only used 3 on my eyes. I guess my eyes are smaller, I don't know. But these are really nice. These, I've already used the classic, and I have them off now, but I wanted to give my eyelashes a little bit of a break before I try on the next ones. But these are the classic, volume, and mega. And then another box that I have that I want to try is, oh my gosh, what are these? Oh yeah, volume wispy number 10, which I really think are pretty. And then with that, I have this little baggie, which is cute and really good material, actually. It has these scissors, which are cute. It has these tweezers, which are cute. Let's see, this is the adhesive. I don't have the remover in here. My remover's in the other room. But yeah, I really like those. They're supposed to last for, on average, about 10 days. It can last more, can last less. But, you know, they're really good. You can wear them like swimming, in the shower, whatever. It's good to like kind of dry them off afterwards, but they look really good, and I really liked wearing them. And it was so nice not having to deal with like putting on mascara and taking mascara off at the end of the day, because one of my things that I hate the most about taking my makeup off is having to get my mascara off. And like, yeah, those would absolutely be perfect for vacation. And I have a discount code for that. So if you're interested in those, definitely check those out because I love those. We have this stuff from Stratea, and I haven't tried any of this stuff out yet, but I've heard good things. We have the Stratea Liquid Gold. This is a lightweight skin strengthening moisturizer, which is good because I like lightweight moisturizers for in the morning time. And then, you know, we have a little thing of that, a little thing of firming and repairing peptide cream, and a little thing of vitamin rich hydrating serum, which is nice. We love serums. I also have this fermented hyaluronic acid, wow, from Fervor. I like this. It's okay. It feels a little bit sticky, but then once you put on a moisturizer on top of it, it makes your skin feel really good. So I really liked this. I have been using that. Ooh, another thing I really like is the Ordinary Glucoside Foaming Cleanser. This is new from the Ordinary, and it's really gentle, which I love. It just, It feels really good on my skin. It makes my skin feel really soft afterwards. And I actually had a little bit of a breakout when I was taking a break from using this and was trying out a whole bunch of different other skin products. My skin started breaking out, so I started using this again and it went away. So yeah, love that. We have Babe Original. So I have their little lash serum, which I haven't been using this long enough to really tell a difference yet, because I haven't been using it for very long, and it takes a few weeks, I think. So I will definitely update you on this if I can tell a difference afterwards. And then I also have their mascara and this little lash separator. I haven't tried these out yet. I just recently got these this week, so I can't wait to try those out. Okay, from Apple Doll. I had never heard of Apple Doll before until I had some friends tell me about it, and I love it now. It's actually, I have it, their blush and their lipstick on, and then they have a mascara that I haven't used yet just because I don't want to open it just yet until I use all of my other mascara. I don't like having a whole lot of different mascaras open at the same time. Oh my gosh. So this is their lipstick in Cherub, yeah, and it's really pretty. It has their little logo on it. I think you can see that. Maybe you can see that. But yeah, this is the lip color I have on right now. And then the blush I have on is True Love Blush in Eve. And it's a little heart and it looks super dark, but honestly, once you put it on and blend it out, it looks absolutely perfect. And then I have their mascara, which I haven't used yet. And then last thing I have to show you is from Merit. It came in this little bag, and I haven't used this yet either, but it is a little blush in Persimmon. It's like kind of an orangey color, which I really needed. And then I have a lipstick in 1990, I think is what it is, but this is so cute. How do I open this? Oh yeah, but it's like a really pretty brown color. I really wanted a brown color because I don't have any, but yeah, super cute. And I think that's all I have to show right now. There's probably some others that I have that I'm forgetting. Oh yeah, my jewelry. Look how pretty my jewelry is. Everything I'm wearing is from Lucinda Jewelry, and I'm gonna link them down below. I really like their jewelry. It's one of my favorite things that I've gotten. I can't find the little pouch I had, but it's really pretty and it's actually good material. Like, it has gold in it, and you can wear it like swimming in the ocean, to the gym, whatever, and it's not gonna like have corrosion or anything, and it's really durable. So this is definitely gonna be my new everyday jewelry, and I have a discount code for this, and it's already super affordable, which is awesome because I hate super expensive jewelry. I hate super expensive anything, but it's actually really good quality. And so yeah, this was definitely a good find for me. And yeah, I'm really excited about having it. My earrings and both my necklaces and this top ring is all from Lucinda Jewelry. So yeah, that is all that I have to show you right now. I'll definitely do more of these videos if you want in the future as I get more, if you're interested, and I'll also show you how I'm getting all this stuff if you're interested in that too. But thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!